We'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in after tiff over parking. An MLA from the TMC, Soham Chakravarti, has slapped a restaurant owner, sparking a huge controversy. A TMC MLA, Soham Chakravarti, slaps a restaurant owner. Allegedly, this is a quarrel over parking is what we know. Pictures are on your screens right now of the incident that has taken place. Let's take a listen.
On Friday evening, in front of this particular restaurant in Newtown, which is adjacent to Kolkata, a scuffle happened between the staff of this particular hotel. It's named as Kolkata Delight, and staff of Trinamool Congress MLA and actor Soham Chakravarti, who was shooting above this particular place. Now, as per the manager over here and the owner's bite, Soham Chakravarti was shooting upstairs, and there was a scuffle between his men over keeping their cars. Now, this particular spot is the area where cars are kept for the people who come and take away food or dine at this particular restaurant. This is the allegation from the hotel's staff and the hotel's ownership that Soham's entourage had kept multiple cars over here, causing them an issue. And following which, the security bashed them up. This is what the hotel staff has alleged. Soham, last evening, when he was getting out of this place post the fiasco, where the allegations were that he bashed the owner and his security men, beaten up the staff over here, he acknowledged the fact that he did slap the owner because the owner abused him, his staff, and foul-mouthed Abhishek Banerjee as well. Amidst all of this, since last night, no police complaint has been registered by these people from the hotel staff. We spoke to them. They claim that they are a bit afraid, as the Trinamool Congress MLA and actor is an influential entity in Bengal. With camera person Satyaki, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.
Suryagni is getting asked more on that story. Suryagni, this essentially is high-handedness on full display. Talk to us about the kind of action that's going to be taken. This is physical assault.
Well, Sneha, it's a very, very shocking incident that we have seen. It happened late last evening, where this individual, who's also a very popular actor and an MLA of the Trinamool Congress, Soham Chakravarti, he was shooting, and there was a heated war of words over parking. That is something that both Soham and the hotel staff and hotel owner has acknowledged, and following which Soham slaps this particular gentleman who's the owner of the hotel. We spoke to the manager over there. We have access CCTV footage of high-handedness by the actor Trinamool Congress MLA Soham. However, he spoke to India Today Group just a while back, and he has apologized. Now, when we spoke to the manager over there, Dipankar Ghosh, just some hours back in the morning today itself, this gentleman also confirmed that they haven't registered a police complaint on this particular issue so far. When we asked him why, he didn't really have an answer, and he evaded that particular question. Amidst all of this, it has to be seen what action the Trinamool Congress also takes on this particular incident, because we haven't really seen this kind of an incident in Kolkata, where a popular actor or a star face who's also a political entity is seen assaulting someone assaulting someone. So that is a very, very shocking thing that we have seen over here in the city, and what action follows, both the legal one and the action from the party, has to be seen from here. Back to you.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us up to speed with those details. Suryagni Roy with a report from Kolkata City.